Make wedding programs in Word. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Since I do not have Microsoft Word, I will show you using Google Docs. The process is just the same. So launch your Google Docs and then go to File. Then go to New. After that, go to From Template Gallery. Now a new tab will be opened. After that, what you will have to do is there will be a search option or several templates here, and all you have to do is simply find the template that best suits you. In template gallery, search for wedding program, but if you cannot find it, you will, in your word there will be a search option as well, so simply search for wedding program. A bunch of wedding program templates will appear. Select any of the one that you like and simply edit it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.